It's not one of those things where we want to say, well, it's only during the month of May we're going to have motorcycle safety. No, it's year-round. When it comes to riding a motorcycle, it's all about experience, and always being prepared for the unknown. And that's hard to say because we don't know what's next. But with vehicles pulling out in front of you, to changing lanes in front of you, to just not being familiar with your controls, it takes repetition, and being a confident, sober, alert driver. And so we won't want to risk anything out there on a motorcycle when it comes to impairment, distractions, and just not being fully aware and competent with riding.